Hi Dixons, I'm James Dyke, Trust Leader for Instruction and for English. Great teaching isn't just about delivering knowledge, it's about knowing what students have learned and what they need next. Effective formative assessment is a crucial lever for excellence in the classroom and facilitating strong student outcomes. It is strategically used in lessons to check student understanding and inform teaching. Today we're going to break down one routine that can be used to facilitate EFA, the mini whiteboard routine. Let's look at how the mini whiteboard routine can be deployed to create the enabling conditions needed for the teacher to effectively reach their outcome of excellence by checking student knowledge and understanding. In the following clips, you will see teachers deploying the routine adaptively while staying true to its purpose.
5, 4, all together. 3, 2, 1. Thank you, Mustafa. 1, 2, 3, montrez-moi. In summer, it is hot. In summer, it is hot.
Let's break that clip down. A clear clipped countdown is used to clearly signal to all students they need to be ready at the same time. Next, notice how the teacher used a 100% strategy in there. Thank you, Mustafa, to preempt a student who might fall behind. This was framed positively to again ensure there was a high ratio of participation in the classroom. Lastly, there's a use of lifeguarding, the deliberate monitoring of the room to again support all students to meet the expectations. Let's look at another example of this routine.
So in 10 seconds, you're finishing off your sentence, and when I get to 1, I'm going to see 100% are hovering, okay? In 5, thank you, making sure that you're there, Binta, make sure you meet us there. 3, 2, thanks Abdullahi. And 1, show me.
Here, the teacher plans in a longer countdown because the students need that fair warning further in advance. This does not slow down or hinder the successful use of the routine. The routine is framed positively. I know we're going to see 100% of students with boards hovered. Again, this is not hindering the pace of the lesson, but ultimately in service of it, because the teacher is mitigating the chance that some students might not be ready. Finally, a 100% strategy is used to support a specific student once more to catch up and join the class. Ultimately, the mini whiteboard routine is simply that, a routine. Like many of our routines, it is facilitative. It does not in and of itself constitute effective formative assessment. The routine allows the teacher to see all the students' work calmly, quietly, and at once, so they can begin the very important work of diagnosing understanding. A well-structured diagnostic assessment focuses on key knowledge, is free from unnecessary complexity, and generates actionable insights. The value in the mini whiteboard routine comes from what happens next. Identifying patterns, addressing misconceptions, deciding whether to scaffold, regroup, or adjust teaching accordingly. Many thanks for watching.